Greetings people, it's Joe at the Leeds Drum Academy again, and today I want to talk about rolls and how to develop a double stroke roll. So the best way for me is to develop a nice and even double stroke roll is to work on each note at a time and control those notes and make sure that you actually own each note. So if we use just a bar of 16th notes as a reference, and we're going to play them as singles, and then we keep adding diddles as 30-second notes to each 16th note, and then we just displace it. We will not try to play 32 notes in a bar. That's just crazy, it's too much. Let's try to master each 16th note at a time, or each set of 30-second notes at a time, and then eventually we will just level up and try 4 at a time, 6 at a time, etc, etc. You will get to the 32 notes in a bar in no time. So the exercise literally goes like this. You play one bar of 16th notes as singles, and then the next bar, the first 16th note becomes two 30-second notes as a double, and then we displace that and we only play the diddle or double on the E. So that's going to be the left hand if you are right-handed and you're starting with your right. If not, just turn everything around. And then you displace again, goes to the and then you displace again, goes to the and so on and so on. Eventually, you will start practicing playing the 1E, and then you displace that, and then you displace that, and so on and so on. You see what I'm going? Again, like I told you, before you know it, you will be playing the whole bar. 30-second notes. I swear. So let's check it out. The exercise goes like this.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so there you go. That's the exercise. It's very simple. Takes time, but it's simple to understand, I hope. But if not, if you have any questions, go to leedsdrumacademy.com, leave an email. I will shoot another video just for you if needed be. Or if you are in Leeds, I will invite you to come to the Leeds Drum Academy and I will show you this in person and I will not charge you a pence. So take care you guys and go get it. It's a great exercise. Bye bye.